That's the my city.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing my summer curly hair routine using Twist by Ouidad. So I've ordered all of these products for the sake of doing a video. There's more, and I've been wanting to do a video for a very long time on these products. I've been using it for 2 months now just to see how it works so I can do an official video. So it's about time. Anyways, let's face it, Guyana is hot all the time. We don't really have different seasons. It's just sunny and rainy, but it has been hotter than usual, so what better time to do a video than now. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay guys, so I'm gonna start off on freshly washed hair. My hair is slightly dry, so this is what it looks like. I'm going to section my hair, of course. So that leaves us with this section. First product I'm going to be going in with is the primer and co. It's a 2-in-1 conditioner and primer, and this one here is Ultimate Moisture for Curls. So let me tell y'all, it literally popped open because I don't know if it's just a fault in the package, but this nozzle or squeezy, it's very hard to squeeze. So I gotta use it from the top. This is the amount that I'm going to be going in with. So as you can see, my hair already have some definition there, and this is only with the primer. Of course, if it's very hot and humid weather, you want some hold and you also want moisture. So this hair, right off the bat, I love this, and this is probably one of my favorite products. And now I'm gonna go in my second favorite product, which is the Weather Up lotion. This is extra moisture for curls. It's super light styling lotion, fight frizz, nourish and define. It kind of has the same consistency as the primer, the primed and co, and it's very liquidy. So gonna be going in with that. Y'all see though? I know y'all see though. However, I feel like these products are super lightweight, and the hold doesn't last that long, but I know some people prefer really defined hair during the summer period, while some like the flow and volume. I guess it's all up to your preference. So I'm going in with the primer over this one side again. Next I'm gonna go in with the Weather Up lotion once again. So I personally prefer to do my hair in section because I feel like the products get to distribute evenly throughout your hair, which of course makes your curls look way better. Be going in with the Boss Bunks. This is from the Ultimate Moisture for Curls line. So basically all that is orange is from that line, and as you can see, it's thick. It's thick. I haven't used this product as yet. This is basically gonna be my first time using this specific product. So as you can see, it's really thick. It is a styling cream. Ooh, I feel like this is gonna give my hair some sort of hold. So let's see. Now I'm gonna be going in with the Ready Set Bounce, and this is basically a defining jelly. What I can tell you about this product is it's not like a gel. I'm gonna show you guys the consistency. So it doesn't offer that much hold. This is the consistency. Ooh, It doesn't offer that much hold, but it is workable. So I'm not gonna rake my hand through my hair. In this case, I'm just gonna coat my strands with the jelly. Of course, same thing applies for this section. So this is it for the back section so far. So for my front section, I like to section off this specific front portion, a small front portion, just to give this the extra definition since it's to the front of my hair or my head, whichever. So of course I'm gonna go back in with the primer. Y'all see all, yeah, I know y'all seen this slip, like it's so easy, like it's even helping to detangle your hair, because I literally did not detangle my hair. Like besides detangling it in the shower, I didn't detangle it, and as you can see, I don't even need to use a detangling brush. I can literally finger detangle my hair. Now we're gonna go back in with the Weather Up lotion. I don't think this is necessary to use if you're using the primer, but I personally just, you know, I want all the moisture that I can get. So a little really goes a long way, especially if you're adding products on top of products. You know, you gotta layer your products. As you can see, my fingers are literally slipping through so easy. Like brush wear. Anyways, now I'm gonna go back in with the Boss Bongs. As you can see, I really don't need to finger coil my hair or anything. It's that easy, and that's how much shape, like it's giving your hair definition indeed. But hold, definition, yeah, definition definitely. Now we're gonna go in with the jelly. This is the last step of each section. In this case, since this is my middle section, I focus on this area, the surrounding of your hair or your head. Yeah, you definitely have to focus on that. So I'm gonna be doing each section smaller while taking smaller section out of this big section, if that makes sense to you. So basically, as you go, let me just show you up close. As you go, you can see I'm literally just clumping these together, so I'm still not passing my hand completely through. So clump it together and pull down, and it gives a shape. It's something like shingling, if you can see. It's something like shingling basically. So that's basically what you're going to be doing for the middle section. Now we're going to go over to this section. At this point, as you can see, my hair is like, yeah, y'all see how my hair look? Like this is my hair literally without any product. If it's anything, that is literally worth your money. Like, I'm not using any detangling brush. I know I went through this with y'all just now, but and it shapes your hair, your curls really nicely. And this is without finger coiling, and your hair is already shaped perfectly. So I think at this point it's pretty self-explanatory. I'm gonna go in with the Weather Up lotion, and then the styling cream, and then the jelly. So I'm gonna speed this part up, and then you guys will see. Now we're gonna go to the front section. The front section we pay a little more attention to. This is because it's literally your surrounding of your head, you know. So the front always have to look proper, you know. proper. So we're gonna spray, hydrate a little. I'm gonna go in with a little of the Weather Up lotion. And we focus on the roots. So that's all I'm gonna go in with for the front section. I'm not gonna use any jelly. So I'm basically doing it like individually, like a shingling method. Just pull. And for here, twist to the root and then pull. And I twisted the very root and then pull. So that's what my bang looks like. And now I'm gonna go over to this other mini section. I'm gonna basically repeat the same steps. So guys, this is the finished product. This is without diffusing. I just finished completing my curly hair routine. Like, let's get into the volume. Let's get into the curl definition. As you can see, the volume is insane already, and my hair ain't even dry yet. So you could just imagine when it's fully dried, and my hair is so freaking moisturized. My curls, as you can see, it's literally so shiny. These products literally offer maximum moisture coverage, I must say. Like, this makes it the perfect product for the summer period, or if you live or you have hot and humid climate condition like I do. It's like the ultimate curly hair product. It doesn't offer that much hold, I must say, because of course it still gets some frizz here and there. Of course, it's very lightweight, so I feel like I'm gonna get more frizz as the days go by. But I feel it's like something that we could work around, you know. I can probably mix it with other products for like a hold of my curls for a longer period. And with this purchase, I got some free goodies. These are some samples. It's the shampoo, the co-wash, and the Weather Up gel, which is all basically similar to the Ready Set Bounce. And apart from that, I have the Curl Refresh and Conditioner Spray. Unlike my day 3 or 4, I'll use this to refresh my curls. But these products are amazing, and I think it's like literally in my top 5 curly hair products at this point. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, do give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Let me know what other type of videos you guys want to see, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. And it's very, very humid, so what are you doing? I think it's Whopper Man. And these products offer maximum